Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your data in one group machine to model. So let's say that I want to copy this data to this empty spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL, this is spreadsheet, and then I'm going back to this empty spreadsheet, and then I'm going to put a variable symbol, then I'm going to write info, then the open parenthesis, and then the double quote, and then I'm going to paste the URL, and then the double quote depend, comma, double quote. Then I'm going back to the spreadsheet, and then I'm going to check the range of I want to copy. So it's going to be A1 to A26. So I'm going to put A1, colon, A26, and then double quote again. The post parenthesis, you can hit and enter, and there you go. So that's all. Thanks for watching.